You remember in the first video we were highlighting things and changing them individually, each time having to do this anytime we wanted to make a broad change, such as changing all the headings to a different font or changing all the body text to a different size to make it fit. If you would need to highlight all the different sections of body text. It's time consuming and quite frankly boring, takes too long and not very efficient, especially when being applied to long documents. So in the second video we showed how to use the built-in styles to improve the speed of that process. You should have noticed that it took quite a while to set it up in the first place. You do have to do a little bit of planning and a little bit of preparation, but once it's done it makes it much easier to change things, because you only have to change one thing in the style and that will change all of the text that has that style applied. In this video we're going to use styles again, but create our own styles. One of the concepts we're going to explore, which we touched on briefly in the previous video, is how styles are actually always built upon other styles. What this means is a style will inherit properties from another style. So a change to the first style will change the second style. You have a parent style and a child style. The child style will always inherit from the parent style, and therefore if you change the size of the parent, the size of the child style will also change to the same, unless there is another change made to the child style. For example, if you have a style for the main headings which is size 20, and then you create a separate style for the subheadings, but you make it a child style of the main headings, the child style, the subheadings one, will be size 20 unless you change it to another size specifically on the child style, and that will overrule it. It takes precedent.